Hi, and in this video I'm going to be showing you lists in HTML. So I'm going to first say doc type. Doc type HTML, so it knows it's HTML. Now I'm going to put the structure. Now I'll put a title called list of fruits. So it's called list of fruits, the title. And I'll also put a slash here. So now I'll just say slash head. And now body. So I'll say body, and now H1 fruit, to list fruits slash H1. And UL so LI apple, because that's a fruit. And I'll just do it again, but with a different fruit. I'll do maybe, let's say 4. So this one orange. And this one blueberry. And finally, I'll say cherry. Slash UL. And slash body. And now I'll just say slash HTML. Now I'll save it. I'll open it. So it's in HTML. So here it is. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video is very helpful. I'll be posting more videos soon. See you soon, and bye.